What's good, everyone? It's early, but got the. This place looks like literally straight from the hills. But we got the truck ready, and Gavin's over here, so we're about ready to go pick up these Honda blocks. Levi made a custom skid off of some scraps for building.
Yeah, this is office wood.
Yeah, we're building an office for the shop right now and had some spare stuff laying around, so.
Ready to go long ways?
Yeah.
Bro,
I don't think I counted.
Oh,
I wasn't expecting.
no.
No.
No. Son of a bitch. There we go.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, that's kind of.
look at that.
Dude, that's something you'd see rolling down the road in like something hillbilly.
so dumb.
Yeah, this is all ice, dude. It's freezing.
Fucking hillbilly.
Yeah, that was dumb.
Our engine should sit. Oh, yours is just a block, you know what I mean?
Is it?
Is it?
Got everything ready to go.
Just found out werewolves aren't real.
Levi, how much money do we have in both these engines?
So you're talking like how much cash are we bringing, or
No,
like
how much total? It's like 15,
how much was yours?
right?
Mine was 14.5. So
Holy shit!
yours is a lot more than
Dude.
$500.
Damn!
I am cooked. That's like 3 whole years of AutoZone salary right there.
Yeah.
I was balling, dude. So mine, I've probably spent about $3,500 on, because it's just a short block and it's a K series, so everything's kind of cheap. What, like 20 G's in the bed?
Yeah, that's what. This is gonna be a $20,000 Honda engine pool, dude. That's crazy.
2 engines.
Hopefully we make it back.
Oh, we will.
30, and we'll be there at 12:30.
12:18.
Cool, we're almost there.
Me.
We gotta stop for some grub though. Right, Gabby?
I'm not hungry. Levi has to
Gavin ate.
Gavin got gas stations, biscuits, and gravy. I'm gonna have to leave him in Kentucky in the ICU.
Yeah, the gas station biscuits and gravy.
There might be a fingernail in there from the lady.
Yeah, the lady working had was missing a finger or some shit. I don't know. Like she just cut it this morning.
I can always fire shot.
That's what she said.
Like, man, it's not now, so shut the
Nah. So what's crazy is Levi's like, "Yo, Logan, they got breakfast sandwiches. Should we get these?" I'm like, "No, dude, I don't want a gas station breakfast sandwich." So then he's like, "Well, I mean, contemplating it," and then she goes on to tell us how she lost half of her finger this morning, and it's like bandaged up.
bleeding through.
And she's making food at the gas station.
It's like, I wear gloves.
So I hop in the truck and I'm like, dude, hell no, I got food, or she's serving food, and I look down and Gavin's eating
fork in his mouth.
so suspicious, great. Just a little update, we're working on a video here, and we got Levi and Gavin doing the same thing they were doing. Nothing.
Sleeping.
We're almost there though, we got another, what?
3 minutes.
3 minutes? Oh shit, we actually are almost there. We will update you when we have the engines. All right, everyone, got them loaded up. Didn't record much. It was a pain in the ass. They're heavy, but we got it. Don't wanna.
Make some jam.
No, we're not. We're not. Not for a while. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out the top here. So we're just grubbing over here, getting our big back on. We got someone out here stealing a cat. But damn, I'm getting butt cracked, bro. That's crazy work. Dude, I am being a big back. It's my cheat day today, so.
Worth it.
All right, it is 7 o'clock. We just got the engines back. Logan's got his engine, which is a full CSS closed deck K24?
Levi just woke up, so I'll do the talking. Yeah, that's a full CSS closed deck O-ring K24 Z7 out of my 9th gen. Don't know what I'm doing with it yet. Kind of in limbo. In the meantime, I've already sourced another engine, and so I don't know. Might go in our EG drag car. We're not sure yet. But on to Levi's engine.
So this is a fully built CSS closed deck
O-ring.
O-ringed F20C out of an AP1 S2000, which is my other S2000. This one's going in my AP2. AP2 is getting the F24, and then so forth. So
AP1.
Oh shit.
AP1's getting the F24.
Yeah, so AP1's getting the F24, AP2's sticking with the F20, F22, so when this one inevitably throws a rod or whatever, you know, it'll get a F22 back in it. It's just got some basic ass spark plugs in it right now. I think we say BREK 7s. So we got some Brian Crowder cams in here. This thing should make some jam. We're good for 1200, I guess, is what he said. So
900 it is.
1200 it is.
As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Deuce.